Your hands are the only connection you have to the wood or metal in your grip. Yet most players treat their hands as a total afterthought. We obsess over exit velocity and launch angles. But we forget that a messy grip kills bat speed before the swing even starts. That is where a weird-looking little tool called the Rip Grip Pro comes into the picture. People keep asking if this thing is actually legit or just another piece of plastic destined for the bottom of a gear bag. After looking at how hitting has evolved into this data-heavy landscape lately, the answer is pretty clear. This is a real deal training aid. It functions on the principle of mechanical alignment. Think about the orientation of your hands during a swing. You want that perfect palm up and palm down position as you move through the hitting zone. Most amateur hitters struggle with casting their hands out too far. This tool provides instant physical feedback that you simply cannot ignore. It is designed to be worn right on your hand during live practice sessions. It feels incredibly strange when you first slide it on. You might even hate the sensation for the first 5 minutes. But that discomfort is actually the tool correcting your bad habits in real time. One of the smartest things it does is isolate the ring and pinky fingers. Most hitters suffer from what coaches call the death grip. They squeeze the handle so hard that their forearms tense up. That tension is a speed killer. By focusing on those specific fingers, the tool helps you maintain a loose whip-like motion. Over 30,000 players are already using this across all levels of the game. That is a massive number for a niche training accessory. Coaches across the country are reporting that it helps clean up the swing path almost immediately. It is not just some gimmick you see in a late-night social media ad. It is a sophisticated piece of ergonomic engineering. If you are serious about your mechanics, you have to look at how your hands are behaving. This tool forces efficiency. It makes sure your barrel stays in the zone longer, which is the absolute secret to consistent contact. You're getting a technical tune-up every time you take a rep. It is a cost-effective way to get pro-level feedback without paying for an expensive hitting coach every single day. The efficiency gains are verified by players who have seen their bat speed jump after just a few weeks of consistent use. You want that barrel control. You want to stop dragging the bat through the zone. This little grip aid handles the heavy lifting of muscle memory. It turns a complex mechanical process into a simple physical sensation. If you feel the tool resisting, you know your hands are out of place. It is that simple. There is no guesswork involved here. You just put it on and let the feedback guide your movement. It is a legitimate investment for anyone who wants to stop guessing and start hitting with more authority. The final verdict is solid. This tool is a powerhouse for anyone looking to refine their craft and dominate at the plate. It simplifies the swing by fixing the foundation. If you want to see your numbers go up, you have to start with how you hold the bat. This tool ensures you do it right every single time.